I made a vocal booth from, scratch, an isolated room full of foam, everything like that. What could be better than being in an isolated room with foam though? I don't know, maybe being in an isolated room with foam with a ambient reflection filter, aka ISO shield? I don't know. Which, by the way, I don't even see the name of the company here. sonicacoustics.com. But anyways, they said, hey, you want to review this? You want to see how it is? And I am actually curious to know how this would work outside compared to in there with it on with this compared to without this in the sound booth, and see if it actually makes a difference or if it's overkill. So you got some foam, non-smelling foam. You got a bag, and it appears to be there is a washer here. I'm guessing that goes in there. Wow, Legos, huh? Here's the brand name, finally, Sonic Acoustics. Here is going to be the audio test, and I'll listen to it all afterwards. Alright. This is how the microphone sounds with the isolation shield filter thing on, and I am in the middle of the room. So here is how I sound. Yo. Yo. Hey. Hey. This is a voice test. 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 Yo. 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 Hey. 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 Hey! Yeah! I am in the soundproof room now, and I have the filter on. Could y'all even see it? This is a voice test. This is a voice test. Yo. Yo. Hey. Hey. Hey! Whoop! Hello! Air up! Boom! Big Shack! So this is how it sounds without the isolation shield on. Yeah. Yow. 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 Hey! 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 This is a voice test. This is a voice test. This is a voice test. Hey! Oop! Yeah! Wah! I need to put my headphones up for this. Well, one of them you can hear a great difference. Yeah, even with these second half claps here. It does a good job at removing some of that tangy sound that bounced back from the wall. You hear that little bing, bing, but it doesn't necessarily clear it all out of the way. Let me see if I could I'm gonna just overboost this sound. You hear it? More specifically after the clap. See, the clap is all the way over here. What you hear here is the after sound from the bouncing. What? I'm recording a video. Alright, so let me hear how this sounds in the vocal booth now. I'm gonna do claps with it on and then off. Hello! I don't really hear a difference per se. Maybe at the loud voice parts. Hey! 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 Whoop! I hear it.
Hey!
I hear some type of like ring when there was no ISO shield in there. My guess is that scream hit the fan, and that the blades of the fan maybe has that reverby sound.
Hey!
I don't know. I'd love to hear from some of y'all experts out there. I guess it was just that one A that I made that was just so loud to the point where it reached those fans or something. I don't really know. But yeah, I really don't hear much of a difference in the filter being on or off in the soundproof room. I'd love to hear from you guys and girls though, because y'all are, y'all be the judges, man. But you can see how much of a difference it made when I did have the ISO shield on while in the middle of the room. So in regards of having an ISO shield inside of the soundproof, already acoustically isolated room, is it worth it? No. But if you're in a setting where you record, I don't know, in the closet, for example, and you just want to dead off some of that sound that's reflecting, this thing definitely helps and does a good job at it, as you heard with the whole, that tangy sound. So what are my last 2 cents on this type of device here? First of all, it's interesting. Second of all, I wish that the mic was able to go a little bit higher so the mic could be in the middle. So perhaps if there was some sort of adjustable thing to make it in the middle of it all, I think that would have been more beneficial. It holds the mic, but sometimes I worry that what if this thing is too flimsy? It's definitely good to stay on, be good, but if people hold the microphone and adjust it or move it up and down, tilt without turning that knob, would it put strain on this thing and bend this thing and make things messed up? I don't know. But the one thing that I would say I really hate about this type of device is, well,